Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon you all. My name is Rushda Yazuddin and I am from 8th class. Today the topic of my story is Put the Glass Down. A professor began his class by holding up a glass with some water in it. He held it up for all to see and asked the students, "How much do you think this glass weighs? 50 grams, 100 grams, 150 grams? The students answered, "I really don't know unless I weigh it," said the professor. "But my question is, what would happen if I held it up like this for a few minutes?" "Nothing," the student said. "Okay, what would happen if I held it up like this for an hour?" "Your arm would begin to ache," said one of the students. "Okay, you are right. What would happen if I held it up like this for a day?" "Your arm would go numb, you might have severe muscle stress and paralysis and would have to go hospital for sure," ventured another student, and all the students laughed. "Okay, you are right. But during all this, did the weight of the glass change?" the professor asked. "No," all the students said. "Then what caused the muscle stress and the arm ache?" The students were puzzled. "Put the glass down," said one of the students. "Exactly," said the professor. "Life's problems are something like this. Hold them for a few minutes in your head and they seem okay. Think of them for a long time and they begin to ache. Think of them even more longer and they begin to paralyze you. You will not be able to do anything. It's important to think of the challenges and the problems in your life, but even more important is to have trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So put them down at the end of every day before you go to sleep, and that way you are not stressed or worried. When you wake up, you feel relaxed and strong and can handle any issue or problem." Holy Quran says, "He it is who sent peace in the hearts of the believers, and they might have more faith added to their faith." Peace is a sign of strong faith, while worries and tension is a sign of weak faith. "Ya ayyatuhan nasul mutmainnah irji'i ila rabbiki ghaziyatan marziyah fadkhuli fi ibadi wadkhuli jannati." "O soul that is at rest, satisfied, return to your Lord, well pleased. So enter among my servants and enter into my paradise. By worrying so much, don't make your life to hell." Jazakallah.